Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am here to show you guys how I make my sizzling, mouth-watering baked chicken wings. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are not new, welcome, welcome, welcome. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your chicken wings is already thawed out. Make sure you have a baking pan to bake your chicken wings afterwards. And as you guys can see here in the video, I'm simply taking the tip of the wing and folding it back in the opposite direction. Here's a closer view. Here's the front of the chicken. Here's the back. And I'm taking the tip of it and tucking it in the opposite direction, just like so, guys. Very easy. Here there was a few feathers on it. Just pluck it out, not a big deal. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. Have your chicken thawed out. Here I'm simply going in with my hot boiling water. I like to do this because it removes the raw smell. If there's any cooks out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I say the raw smell. For the beginners, this is a step that you do not want to skip. Now here I'm going in with my Old Bay seasoning. I love Old Bay seasoning. I like putting it on my chicken. As you guys can see, I like putting it on fish. I also like putting it on beef. It's just something about that seasoning. I don't know what it is, but to me, the flavor is amazing. I also use adobo seasoning, but you guys can use any seasoning that you would like. I'm simply showing you guys how I make my baked chicken wings. Here I'm going in with my onion powder. I love onion powder. I'm as generous, and you can be as generous as you want to as well, because it doesn't have salt. Here's my homemade marinade. I make my marinade with a lot of onions, a lot of bell peppers, garlic, cilantro, parsley, and I blend it inside of a blender with olive oil and water. That's right, guys. It's really easy. I mean, if you guys are interested in knowing how I make it, if you want me to show you step by step how I make the marinade, I'll be more than happy to show you that. That's easy. And here I'm just going in with my spatula, making sure that every piece have some of the marinade and some of the seasoning. And then you might even see me put a little bit more seasoning on there. I've been doing this for a while. I don't use the measuring cups or the measuring spoons because, like I said, I've been doing this for a while. So I kind of season with my eyes. I'll know if the meat is too salty. I'll know if it's just right. I'll know if it's bland just by looking at it. Yep, that's about it, guys. And you guys want to make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you want to bake the chicken for about an hour and a half. Here I'm going in with my mojo sauce. This is something else that also gives the meat flavor. For the sake of the video, I did not let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. However, if you want to do that step, you can skip putting it in the oven right away and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can go as long as an hour or even longer. The longer the better. The juices will really flow inside of that chicken and it will really be juicy. Excuse me with Chelsea hand. She loves to be in the kitchen when